Coconut leaves wave a slow goodbye. Tamaimanu sings from the papata tree, and the sea hums back in harmony. Ole tama fana fana ole aso. No rain, just grace in the evening glow. Samoa, your heart beats in the sand. Every step I take, I understand. Olo, alofa, ulufa, alo, alo. The silent breeze, so soft, so slow. Samoa, your soul is where I belong. Grandmother's hands we find in toga. Each thread a prayer, each knot a vow. Children laugh where the taro grows. Cool mud between their tiny toes. Oleva olanu mea mata itawatele. Whispers of old that time won't steal. Samoa, your heart beats in the sand. Every step I take, I understand. Olo, alofa, olofa, alo, alo. The silent breeze, so soft, so slow. Samoa, your soul is where I belong. No need to rush, no need to run. The moon will rise when day is done. Elele lo mala mala ma, shining not bright but deep and true. Samoa, your heart beats in the sand. Every step I take, I understand. Olo, alofa, olofa, alo, alo. The silent breeze, so soft, so slow. Samoa, your soul is where I belong. Ola gona, ole aso. Like the tide, filemo